Hello everybody, welcome to AtNet Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Okay, that's all. Dual nature of radiation and matter. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2024. The question is, if c is the velocity of light in free space, the correct statements about photon among the following are: A. The energy of a photon is E is equal to h nu. B. The velocity of a photon is c, small c. C. The momentum of a photon V is equal to h nu divided by c. D. In a photon-electron collision, both total energy and total momentum are conserved. And E. Photon possesses positive charge. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Here எதெல்லாம் correct கேட்டிருக்காங்க. A and B only, A, B, C and D only, A, C and D only, A, B, D and E only. Which one is the right answer? Let us see. So according to Einstein's photoelectric theory, the energy of each light quantum, தமிழ்ல ஆற்றல் சிப்பங்கள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, இங்கிலீஷ்ல light quantum, அதான் நம்ம photon என்று சொல்கிறோம். That is photon is the energy of each photon is E is equal to h nu. That is what A is right. Linear momentum of the photon V is equal to h by lambda. You know, lambda is equal to c by nu. In that sense, h nu divided by c. Is it not? So V is equal to, instead of lambda, c by nu. So nu goes to the upper side, numerator. So P is equal to h nu by c. It means what? B is also correct. When a photon interacts with matter, that is photon-electron collision, the total energy, total linear momentum and angular momentum are conserved. It means what? They remains constant during the entire process. So statement C is also right. Then photons are electrically neutral. This is according to Einstein's photoelectric theory. But it has been given in the question that photon possesses positive charge. But in reality, photon does not possess positive charge. Only proton, which is inside the nucleus, that is a separate thing that you know very well. So the correct options are A, B, C and D only. E is the wrong answer. E is not the correct statement. So according to among the given options, option 2, that is A, B, C and D only are the correct statements. So among the 4 options, answer 2, option 2 is the right answer. Okay, that's all. We will see one more question from this chapter, dual nature of radiation and matter, in our next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.